Hello everyone, in this quick guide I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Metamask to Bybit safely and what network you to use so you don't lose your funds. First open Metamask and confirm which network your USDT is on. Most common ones are ERC20 on Ethereum or BEP20 on BNB Smart Coin, and Bybit does not support BEP20 at the moment, so if your USDT is on BEP20, you need to first send it to Binance, then transfer it to Bybit via TRC20 or ERC20. And if your USDT is on Ethereum, you can send directly to Bybit using the ERC20 option. So go to Bybit tab and hover over to asset, choose deposit, then choose USDT and then highlight ERC20. So now copy the USDT deposit address from Bybit and double check the selected network matches your Metamask network. Alright, and head back to Metamask and click send. Paste your Bybit address and enter the amount of USDT and confirm the transaction. Make sure to have Ethereum for gas fees. If your USDT is on BEP20, send it to your Binance wallet using BSC, then transfer from Binance to Bybit using TRC20. It's cheaper and supported. That's all there is to it. If you want any more option, any more information, go to this link here and you will find everything you need to know about transferring cryptos to Bybit from Metamask.